It's not too late to take advantage of the Black Friday specials that Plexus is having right now. So the Triplex and the Balance combo together. So the Triplex is the 3 products, the Plexus Slim, BioCleanse, and ProBio 5. Those 3 products is our core, and they work together for gut health, reducing inflammation, nutrient absorption, and blood sugar balance. And so that's the core because it gets to the root and heals from the inside out. That paired with the balance is really helping people to lose weight faster. There's new research and testimonies on how this is really helping people. Plexus is also giving away free reset today to anyone who buys one of the combos. So Reset is a 3-day nutritionally supported fast. It comes with everything that you need for the 3 days. And not only are people getting faster results, but long-term results, because you're fasting, but you're also getting all the nutrients you need. So there's deeper healing and